Book summary: The Fourth Turning, by William Strauss and Neil Howe, is a thought-provoking exploration of historical cycles and generational dynamics. The authors propose a cyclical theory of history, suggesting that societies go through predictable cycles of growth, crisis, and renewal, referred to as turnings. The book introduces the concept of a saeculum, which represents the span of time from one major crisis to the next. Within each saeculum, there are 4 turnings. Each turning is characterized by specific generational attitudes, behaviors, and challenges. The authors identify 4 generational archetypes: prophet, nomad, hero, and artist. These archetypes correspond to the different phases of a saeculum and influence how individuals and societies respond to crises and opportunities. The fourth turning emphasizes the inevitability of crises as a natural part of the historical cycle. The authors discuss how each turning sets the stage for the next, with crises serving as catalysts for change and transformation. They argue that during the fourth turning, a major crisis occurs, leading to a renewal and rebirth of societal values and institutions. The book also explores the concept of turning seasons, which correspond to the stages of a saeculum. These seasons, spring, summer, fall, and winter, symbolize the changing dynamics of optimism, abundance, decline, and regeneration within society. Strauss and Howe identify historical patterns that support their cyclical theory, drawing parallels between past turnings and contemporary events. They discuss how generational cycles influence politics, culture, and societal trends. In conclusion, the fourth turning offers a unique perspective on history and societal change. The author's cyclical theory provides insights into the repeating patterns of crises and renewal that shape the course of history. By understanding these generational dynamics, individuals and societies can better anticipate and navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead.